crazy, it's hailing, man, should I run? Nothing can faze me, I'm awake, but I'm fully numb. It's like a hurricane, wanting to try and stay.
The chemistry of the brotherhood, bro. Putik, sabay sila. Nakita mo, sabay sila kumumpas, pre. Ang magkapatid na to, man. What the F, bro? Kaya mo, ha? Sabay sila magkukumpas dyan. Oh, di ba? Thank you so much palagi mga master for always being there, at welcome sa mga bagong mga master natin dyan na nag-subscribe. Maraming salamat sa inyo mga master. I appreciate you always. And shoutout pala kay Master Melody. Thank you so much Master Melody. Napakalupit mo. Thank you so much for donating, Master. You are amazing. Alright, and we are live with the Master Easy Meal and Master Rain, no? Kakatay na lang yung storm. Okay, let's go.
It's like a hurricane, wanting to try and stay.
Hey!
The pain won't go away.
Ayun! Hindi ko in-expect na magbe-beatbox si Master Easy Meal doon, pero I like it. So, let's go, man.
Wanting to try and stay.
Hey, gang!
The pain won't go away, causing more. What am I even for yet? Feels like I'm being torn.
Ano yung gamit ni Master Rain dito? What? Parang falsetto ba lahat yun? O parang may normal voice siya doon, no? Excuse me. Parang may normal voice siya doon, tapos nagta-transition lang from falsetto to normal voice, no? Ganon ka-seamless yung boses ni Master Rain dito pa rin, no?
Causing more. What am I even for yet? Feels like I'm being
Oh, grabe, ang suave.
It hurts more than
Buisit na eroplano, pre, maganda na eh.
even for yet.
Hey.
Feels like I'm being torn. It hurts more than ever before. Every form. Even now, I'm still
Yo. Natawa siya sa kapatid niya.
I'm in this ditch and it's cold. The wind's flickering, throw into the midst of my woe. Like I wish I could.
What the F? So this is a cappella. Nasaan yung instrumental niyo, mga master? Bakit walang instrumental na pinlay? Bawal ba? Ano ba? Copyrighted ba kung ipi-play nila dyan sa live na yan? Wala ba sa YouTube yan na pwede niyang i-search? Yung Storm karaoke? Wala ba na? Bakit a cappella? Pero I'm liking it, diba? Rinig ba naman yung pag-rap ni Master Easy Meal dito? Ganon kalupit yung kanyang tempo sa kanyang rap na parang may narinig ka pa ring beat kahit walang beat. Parang may beat yung kanyang rap. Okay, a cappella pala, pre. Oh, yan mo, pakinggan mo yung rap niya, parang may beat pa rin. Gang, let's go.
I'm in this ditch and it's cold. The wind's flickering, throw into the midst of my woe.
Oh, yung multi niya, yung parang beat, diba? Parang may beat pa rin, ganun kalupit yung multi niya, pre. Yung sound capabilities ng utak niya within the rhymes and the lines of the words, ganun kalulupit. Parang may beat yung labas. That's how you tell na malupit kang artist tsaka writer, kasi parang may beat yung labas nung cadence mo. I would ba? Diba? May beat, literal, pre. Napakaangas. Let's go. Yeah.
I'm in this ditch and it's cold. The wind's flickering, throw into the midst of my woe. Like
multi.
I wish I could picture a moment where I'm the victor and holding my own triumph. But I know that's a lie and I'm struggling. These days I'm stuck in my bleak ways, still fumbling. Like my effort will never release pain. My hunger for sheer rage is crumbled in each page. I'm rummaging through my very unsettling weak ways, and I'm wishing I could take it back to the times when I was just a youngin' and tracking no rhymes and things was still fine. And I'm too blind to see.
Sabi, alam mo na, meron silang relationship na magkapatid, pre, talagang kita mo sa sabi ni Master Easy Meal, tara Butcho, ano, tara, sis, tara, sabayan mo ako. Sabi ni Master Rain. Ang cute nilang tingnan, pre, alam mo. Pero ang lupit talaga ng rapping voice ni Master Easy Meal, pre. Bukod sa nakakapogi, napakaangas pakinggan, napakaklaro na dito, napakalupit. Solid na yung boss na dito, mas lalo pang sumolid yung kanyang rapping voice, pre. Talagang, although a cappella siya, may enjoy mo pa rin talagang pakinggan, man.
Page, I'm rummaging through my very unsettling weak ways, and I'm wishing I could take it back to the times when I was just a youngin' and tracking no rhymes and things was still fine. And I'm blind to see I'm in the blizzard, I hang with no life, trying to make this thing happen with zero budget. Music's beautiful, hope that I do it just.
Trying to make this happen with zero budget, pre. Ha, man. Wala siyang masyadong pera, pre, coming from the kaya nga yung story ni Master Easy Meal, pre, starting from the bottom, now we're here trying to do this without budget, pre. Men, kaya nga talagang sobrang blessed lahat ng Easy Meal fans, Easy Meal creators, si Master Easy Meal, kasi lahat ng mga fans niya, lahat ng mga sumusuporta sa kanya, sobrang galante, sobrang willing tumulong. Kaya sa mga master natin dyan na nag-donate sa akin, sa mga fans ni Master Easy Meal, pre, thank you talaga sa inyo mga master. Malaking tulong talaga yung mga dinonate nyo na tulong sa atin sa channel na to. You are keeping the channel alive, mga master. Maraming salamat, nagpapasalamat kami. Papasalamat ako in behalf of Master Easy Meal. Alam kong malaking tulong kayo sa kanya. Alam ko yan kasi sobrang mapagbigay ng mga fans ni Master Easy Meal. I know that you helped him. I know that. Kasi ako nga tinulungan nyo. You have been there since the start of this journey, man. And I'm so thankful sa inyo because you are keeping this channel alive. Thank you so much, mga master. Appreciate you, man. Let's go.
It's getting crazy. It's hailing, man. Should I run? Nothing can faze me. I'm awake, but I'm fully numb. It's like a hurricane. Wanting to try and stay.
The chemistry of the brotherhood, bro. Putik, sabay sila. Nakita mo, sabay sila kumumpas, pre. Ang magkapatid na to, man. What the F, bro? Kaya mo, ha? Sabay sila magkukumpas dyan. Oh, di ba? Man, this is the chemistry that I've been wanting to see, and sana mag-perform sila together sa concert. Masali siya sa isang Marshall Mathers na album, yung Eminem na signed. Kasali sana si Master Rain doon, mag-chorus siya doon, man. Dapat maging party siya noon, meron silang solo doon. Wow, I'm excited of this too. The chemistry is unreal, my guy. The brotherhood, the siblinghood is amazing, man. Let's go.
Yeah. Causing more.
Hey, let's go. Yeah.
What am I even for?
Tangina, no? Ang lupit. Masterful sa Piera, pati yung kanilang mother na retired veteran. Ano ba yun? Parang kumakanta din sa, hindi ko alam kung anong part of defensive army ba, Navy ata. Pero the talent, man, you can't deny the talent. Pinasa nila yung kanilang lakas spiritual na ginawa nila sa tuwing nagmamahalan sila. Ito ang bunga, mga malulupit na nilalang. Let's go. Hey, yeah.
still in the same storm.
Galing! Super bravo to the N-Power.
Wow, man. What the F? Man, wow! Whew. Hindi ko in-expect yung mararamdaman ko. I'm so overwhelmed na nakita sila. Tingnan mo naman yung mga ngiti sa kanilang mga labi. Hindi mababayaran ng salapi ang kanilang kaligayahan dito bilang proud sila sa isa't isa sa kanilang putik na daga. Che! Tumatambling-tambling yung daga sa mga papel-papel at mga damit-damit ko. Putik talaga itong mga dagang to eh. Pasalamat kayo, mabait ako. Hindi ko kayo nilalason ha. Bibilhan ko kayo nung yung papel na didikit yung paa nyo doon. Manda kayo. But that was Master Easymail and Master Rain, man. Reigning the world. They will reign the world, pre. Bars! Bars, my guy. Get ready kasi sasakupin na ng Pilipinas ang OPM, pre. And international scene. This has been amazing and you have been amazing.